Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. I'm Nigel Croft and it's Thursday the 5th of October. In this short video I'll be looking at the charts of the US dollar against the Swiss franc, commonly known as the Swissy. What we will see is that I expect short-term dollar strength. The moving averages are all pushing up. There's upside momentum and I see no reason why the dollar shouldn't strengthen from here. Let's look at those charts. Okay, so here we are on the weekly chart. So each candle represents 1 week's trade. You can see that we've bounced from the 200-week moving average, which was good. We will hit resistance from the downtrending 50-week at 98.73, which is the first resistance that we see on this weekly chart. Momentum has picked up. You can see that we had a non-confirmation on the RSI and it's now gone back above 50 in a shallow uptrend, which is positive. The present RSI in level is at 51.72, and you can see also that the MACD, the short term, has moved above the long term, although they're both still below zero, but that is indicative as well of positive momentum. Moving on to the daily, here each candle represents 1 day. We've had a bullish movement yesterday when the 20 crossed through the 50. That's known as a golden cross and is a positive technical indicator. You can see that we're up against a line of previous highs, so this is a resistance level. And we are finding it difficult to go through. We did go through momentarily for a couple of hours on Tuesday's trade, but we've since slipped back down. But given that we've had the golden cross on the moving averages, I would expect a move through this resistance and then hit the first resistance, which will be this downtrending 200-day moving average, which is presently at 98.38. Here, like the weekly, you can see that the RSI is in an uptrend showing positive momentum. There was also a non-confirmation on the RSI, which was good, and in fact this is a picture of a double bottom that we're seeing on this chart, so that's a good factor as well, and really I would expect the rally to continue. The MACD as well are above zero, showing positive momentum with the short term still above the long term. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. So here each candle represents 4 hours of trading, and you can see that the pullback that we had brought us back to the rising moving averages, which was good. We've then bounced off those immediately. That was good, and I would expect to get these moving averages to give the push on up on the dollar. On the RSI, it is still positive. It's at 58.51. The high that we had was above the previous high, so that was good. When we push on up, you would hope that that will push the RSI. We need it to go back above 64 basically, but keep an eye on it. But it is indicative at 58.37 of positive momentum. MACD, they are just flatlining at the moment, but they are above zero. It'd only take the next 4-hour period to be up, and the MACD would start to tick up as well. Looking at the support and resistance levels, we've got the first resistance at the 200-day, 98.36. Then above there at the 50-week, which is 98.74, with the support coming in at the 20-day, 96.64, and then the 200-day at 95.90. Many thanks for watching this video. The key takeaways should be that we do expect dollars. Sorry, I've spelt dollar wrong. I always do something wrong on these slides. I spelt dollar wrong. So expect dollar strength in the short term. Golden cross on the 20-50 day moving average. There's good upside momentum, and the weekly did find support at the 200-week moving average. Sorry about this misspelling of dollar. Same as yesterday. There's always some error somewhere. It's where will it occur, and will I cough, because I do have a terrible cold at the moment. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please do remember that the opinions in the videos are my opinions, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation. It's all meant for educational purposes. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.